Today we'll be trying the Japanese barbecue sauce on some chicken thighs, and also we'll be showing you Thermopro new Lightning thermometer. This is Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. All right, so here we have our chicken that's been marinating for, I would say, about 3 to 4 hours. And here we have the famous Japanese barbecue sauce that's been going all around, that everybody says it's really good. Also, here is Thermopro's new Lightning thermometer. Now, the name is Lightning for a reason. Okay, I've been using it for the past few videos, but I couldn't show it. But the color of this and how fast, it's so quick. So now the cool part about this one that I like is open this up and it turns on. Close it and it turns off. Very, very nice. They also give you the little screwdriver with the battery to put the battery in the back and put a little screwdriver in there. Beautiful. Now the beauty of Thermopro, what I like about them is they're always trying to be better than anybody else. They want to be the best. So they keep making better product. And just like any other company there, you want to be the best. But sometimes you got to prove it that you're the best. And so far this, the design is nice. I love how fast, and you guys will see it in action. There will be a link in the description with the discount code and a link so you guys can get this starting today. Let's get our chicken thighs. This is going to be a nice, quick, and simple. That Japanese barbecue sauce, it smells like teriyaki. And I think that's why when I smelt it, and it smelled like teriyaki, it had a teriyaki smell to it, I figured, what's chicken teriyaki? Chicken thighs. So I figured, I got my chicken thighs. I got my fast Lightning Thermopro to make sure this chicken comes out perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this glove because I know we have some glove polices out there that love to comment, you didn't change your glove. Bam, gloves changed. I'm gonna go put another one before I put them in there. Gloves change. So I always cook my chicken under 275 degrees. 250, 225, I've done 275. The highest I think I've done is 300, if I'm not mistaken. But I figure on this ones, I'll try to go at 350 degrees and see how good they come out. A quick tip on the pellet grills, you'll get the more smoke flavor from 275 degrees and down. The higher you go, the less of a smoke flavor you're gonna get. But I'm trying to do these hot and fast. 350, and we'll see how long it takes and if they come out really good. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Z grill. All right, our Z grill is ready. 350 degrees. We'll see how long I'll come in about a half hour to check them. We'll be back. All right. These are ready, and look how they look. Oh yeah. All right, so here we have our nice Lightning. Watch how fast. Boom. And then you have to go this way. Turns around also, look at that. Cool, huh? Now watch how fast. So 175. I like my chicken at 170 internal, so this is good because the bigger piece will take longer than the smaller piece. So we're good. Alright, let's take them out. Before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, guys. So one of the other beauty of this is it's waterproof. You can put it there, wash it, and you're good to go. And like always with Thermopro, always does is they give you a nice little chart of recommended internal temps for your meats. So that's pretty cool. Some little ad that they add, which is great. Well, let's go ahead and cut a piece. It looks really good. Just a little piece. Let's add some of this. That Japanese barbecue sauce is really good. Man, I definitely recommend it. I'm definitely going to have one of these bottles always out my fridge. The hype is real. They're that good. Make sure you guys check out the Thermopro's new Lightning. There'll be a link in the description with a discount code for you guys to get it at a cheaper price. It's going on sale today. So make sure you guys check out that link. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys next time.